Dubai has stepped up its commitment towards a more sustainable future through the launch of Dubai Can. The move looks to reduce the city's reliance on single-use plastic bottles and, in this initial stage, encourages residents and tourists to use reusable water bottles across 40 brand-new water refill stations around the city.
The key driver of this was driving behavior to start with, and to drive a change where people could do small things and yet collectively create a huge impact. So we focused on collaborating with the private sector to do a few things. So between creating the infrastructure, enabling people to have solutions, substitutes to the plastic bottles, and enabling people to understand the impact of what they're doing, created the movement. And it has been snowballing ever since we started in February. We have looked at numerous initiatives, and one of the key things that we're focusing on as a next phase is banning of plastic bags from retail, with a full ban on all plastic bags within 2 years.
Over 500 public and private sector companies have already partnered with the Dubai-based campaign, with many sponsoring their own water fountains. These include international hotel groups who are also making big changes internally.
Dubai realized a few years back that they needed to take seriously everything around sustainability and efforts into driving actions and initiatives to reduce plastic, but also recyclable options, reusable options on many, many levels. And eventually this initiative came up. What was interesting for us is that the target towards the hospitality industry, the tourism industry, was actually one of the key focus points for them, realizing that not only it is for the people who live in Dubai, but Dubai being such a prominent hub when it comes to tourism globally. There is everything which is what we call dry amenities, such as combs or toothbrush, for instance. Crazy again to realize that most of them used to be in plastic. So now we have moved to solutions which are using wood and other materials.
Recent findings show that 4 billion plastic bottles are consumed annually here in the UAE, while 40% of all plastic in the country is also mixed use, which can have a devastating impact on local wildlife, which is why collaborative efforts such as the Dubai Can initiative really is going to have a significant impact going forward. The Dubai Can initiative is even embracing the latest in advanced water technology and using drinking water from air.
Technology got to the point where it became quite efficient to convert humidity in the air and condense it into water. So there are systems and technologies that basically, produce water out of thin air. So from that perspective, it's been going. We have a couple of being implemented by our partners in different locations. Above and beyond that, even the canisters that are being used as reusable bottles could come from recycled material.
Another entity looking to make a difference towards a greener Dubai is a free recyclable waste collection app called Recap by Veolia. Along with a local partner, the group is recycling plastic PET bottles into filling and fabric fibre used for pillows. The app also uses a reward system.
We see that the community here in the UAE is very, very enthusiastic in order to recycle more with any initiative. And that's why we decided to launch Recap by promoting the ecological transformation here in the UAE, which is a core value of the company. The idea is to provide a very efficient and easy service to collect the recyclable from the doorstep of each and every citizen and resident in the UAE. What is important for us then is to develop a local circular economy. What does it mean? It means that we work with third parties able to recycle each and every category that we sorted. And then we are able to produce new items which are done with recyclable material.
Movements such as the Dubai Can initiative, under the tagline of one small change, one big impact, and refill for life, is just a taste of what's to come for a more sustainable, plastic-free future.